Every day I see the same question. When will our pie turn into real money? We've all tapped that lightning button, invited friends, and watched our balances grow. It's a fair question. When will our dedication pay off? This hope drives us, but so does worry. We see other coins rise fast and wonder, are we on the right path? The truth is, there's no magic date or switch to flip. The value of pie isn't something we wait for. It's something we build together. Pie's real value depends on us, the pioneers, our actions, beliefs, and participation. Instead of asking, when will we see value? Let's ask, how can we create value? Our true power lies in building, not waiting. The journey to real value is in our hands. Every action we take shapes Pie's future. The more we use, share, and support Pie, the closer we get to real-world value. Let's focus on what we can do today. The finish line isn't set by someone else. It's built by all of us. Our dedication is the foundation. Our community is the engine. The value of Pie will be what we make it. Let's get started. Many think a cryptocurrency's value comes from its technology, blockchain speed, security, algorithms. But technology is just the engine. It's useless without roads or destinations. The PieCore team is building a strong engine, but we need an ecosystem, shops, services, and people using Pie. Money only has value because people agree it does and use it to buy what they need. The same must be true for Pie. Our goal is to build belief and acceptance, not just launch mainnet or check off technical milestones. The real journey is creating a world where Pie is used every day. This takes more than code. It takes all of us. The core team builds the car, but we build the roads and cities. Merchants, apps, and users make Pie valuable. Widespread use is what gives Pie power. Let's look beyond technology and focus on building a living, breathing economy. Every transaction, every new merchant, every app brings us closer. The value of Pie is in its use, not just its code. We are the ones who make Pie real. Let's build the ecosystem together. The Pie project has two main groups, the core team and the pioneers. The core team are the architects. They build the infrastructure, the blockchain, the wallet, the secure network. Their job is to give us a safe, reliable platform. But an empty house is just a shell. Our job as pioneers is to make it a home. We bring life, warmth, and purpose. We create the economy, buyers, sellers, creators, and consumers. We open shops, offer services, build apps, and use Pie in real ways. The core team provides the stage. We are the actors. Value comes from our performance, not the stage itself. Every pioneer who participates adds to Pie's value. The house is ready. Now it's up to us to fill it with life. Let's move in, build, and create together. The future of Pie depends on our actions. We are the community that will make Pie thrive. Let's turn this house into a vibrant home. Too many pioneers are waiting, mining Pie, then sitting back for the core team to deliver value. But value isn't handed out. It's built by action. If everyone waits, nothing happens. An economy needs participants, not spectators. Imagine a new marketplace. If no one sets up shop or buys, it stays empty. Value comes from utility and circulation. Pie must be useful and must move. Buyer to seller, seller to buyer. If everyone just holds Pie, it stagnates. We need to shift from waiting to building. Every pioneer has a role, no matter how small. Your actions, spending, selling, creating, give Pie life. Waiting for a high price before acting is backwards. Value follows a strong, useful ecosystem. Let's be the builders, not the bystanders. The future of Pie depends on our participation. And Pie's magic happens when merchants and users both participate. Merchants need customers willing to spend Pie. Users need places to spend it. We solve this by pushing both sides, encouraging businesses to accept Pie and pioneers to use it. The more places that accept Pie, the more useful it becomes. Support Pie merchants, buy from them, leave reviews, Spread the word. Don't just hold Pi, spend some to support the ecosystem. Every transaction proves our economy is real. Imagine thousands of small businesses accepting Pi. Our strength is in numbers, millions of pioneers, millions of opportunities. Real value comes from real use, not speculation. Let's create a wave of economic activity together. The future of Pi is a world where it's used every day. Ready to build? Here's how you can help Pi grow. No special skills required. First, learn. Understand Pi's vision, read the white paper, watch trusted videos. Second, share accurate information, fight misinformation, and encourage others. Third, support the ecosystem, offer your skills or products for Pi, and buy from Pi merchants. Every transaction helps prove our economy is real. Leave positive reviews to encourage more merchants. Fourth, build community. Join or start local Pi groups, educate new pioneers, brainstorm new apps and businesses. Participate in events, welcome newcomers, answer questions. Your positive energy strengthens our community. Small actions by millions create big change. Don't wait for someone else, take the first step. Every pioneer matters. The more we do, the stronger Pi becomes. Building value is a team effort. Let's make Pi a currency people use, not just hold. Start today. Learn, share, support, and connect. Together, we'll build something powerful. As we build Pi's future, remember, don't put your life on hold. Pi is a long-term project, a marathon, not a sprint. Don't depend on Pi for your immediate needs. Focus on your job, studies, and family first. Think of Pi as a future bonus, not a quick fix. Financial stability today keeps you safe from scams and desperation. A strong, patient community is better for everyone. Participate in Pi as part of a balanced life. Spend a few minutes each day on Pi, but focus on your real-world goals. When we're strong individually, our community thrives. Build your life now. Pi's value will follow. You've heard of GCV, Global Consensus Value. It's a community-driven idea. If we agree on Pi's value and trade at that value, it becomes real. GCV is a symbol of our ambition, but belief alone isn't enough. High value needs a robust ecosystem, real goods and services for Pi. If we want Pi to be worth a lot, we need to offer things of real value. The GCV dream inspires us, but building utility makes it possible. Let's use this shared goal to fuel real-world action. Focus on growing the merchant network and circulation. The value of Pi will match the strength of our economy. Dream big, but build even bigger. The work we do now will make the dream real. We started with a question: when will Pi have real value? Now we know the answer is in our hands. The core team gave us the tools, but we must build the future. Every action, teaching, buying, sharing, adds to Pi's foundation. Our community is our greatest asset. Let's shift from waiting to building, support each other, share successes, and inspire fellow pioneers. The time for waiting is over. The time for building is now. Let's create an ecosystem so vibrant the world can't ignore it. The question isn't when value will come, but what will you build today? Our future is something we create together. One pioneer, one transaction, one day at a time. Let's get to work. The value of Pi is ours to build.